Welcome to the fast lane of turning brainpower into bank power, dear listeners. Today we're slicing through the fluff and diving straight into how you can mint money by teaching what you love online. Let's not just sell courses, let's sell the course that gets the cash register ringing. First up, niche down until you hit gold. Don't be the jack of all trades, be the master of one. You want to create an online course that speaks to a niche, not the broader audience. For instance, maybe you want to create a course about cooking. Cooking the ultimate Thanksgiving turkey. Bingo! It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets a gap in the market. Then, it's time to get your geek on and let AI be your sidekick. Use it to whip up a course outline that's so good it practically teaches itself. Think of ChatGPT or Anthropic as your nerdy friends who do half the homework for you. Crafting content? Let AI roll up its sleeves again. It's like having a research assistant who's always caffeinated and ready to churn out ideas, scripts, and whatever else you need to keep your audience glued. Choosing where to host your masterpiece is like picking the perfect stage for your one-person show. Whether it's your own site or an online academy, make sure it's where your audience hangs out. And don't skimp on the tech. Good video and sound quality can make or break your Oscar moment. Now for the fun part, marketing. Think of it as throwing the coolest party in town. You need an irresistible invite. Hello, teaser video, some sneak peeks and maybe a freebie or two to get people through the door. Launch day should feel like your birthday and Christmas rolled into one. Build the hype, offer treats for the early birds, and then bask in the glory of your creation taking flight. But don't just sit back and relax. Collect feedback like it's going out of fashion. And tweak your course to perfection. Your students will love you for it, and their rave reviews will bring in the next batch of eager learners. Last, but not least, think big. One course is just the beginning. Keep creating, keep refining, and watch as your digital empire grows. So, gear up, get creative, and remember, in the world of online courses, you're not just a teacher, you're a rock star. Now go out there and turn those skills into thrills.